In this video, we will discuss components of a procurement management plan. Each component is equally important, especially number 6, so make sure you don't miss it and watch the video till the end. Please hit like and share this video on your social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you won't miss out on our future updates. Let's start the video. There are several components of procurement management planning. Let's discuss one by one. Number 1, Procurement Process. In this section, the necessary requirements to manage the project are identified. It includes initiation of the procurement demand request, development of the needs in technical, quality, and delivery terms, approval of the requisition, bidding process, contract management responsibility, and contract closure. Number 2, Roles and responsibilities. It defines the roles of different resources in the project, and who is responsible for which stage of the procurement process. Number 3, Identified procurement needs. In this section, the feasibility of outsourcing goods or services is calculated and a list is made to include the final decision with justification statements. Number 4, Timing. It defines the timeframe in which requested goods or services are required for backward calculation on when to start the procurement process. Number 5, Change approval process. It defines the system by making changes in the procurement documents to ensure that the changes are understood and approved by the authorized persons. Number 6, Vendor processes. It defines the system for the management of vendors and how they will process invoices, negotiate, update status, and find approved changes. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck. Please comment if you have any questions about this video.